We're very pleased to have announced strong figures. As for the highlights, financially, we've grown the top line by 3.5%. That's also been accompanied with a 0.8% increase in gross margin. Profit before tax up 35%. At the same time, we've generated an excellent £20.7 million in operational cash flow. That's reduced the year-end debt number by 40%. Our EBITDA to year-end debt ratio is 1 times. We're very pleased with that set of results. From an operational perspective and a commercial perspective, a strong performance in the United States. In local currency, a 34% increase in profits and a 66% increase in profits in Australia. At the same time, with a new and refreshed management team in the United States, we have a situation where we've actually improved sales to all of our customer core channels, and we've delivered on a major capital investment program also in the United States, and we're really geared for excellent growth in the years ahead. So not only a pleasing result in the year, but also for the future. We're very pleased to have increased our dividend, frankly ahead of where we expected to be. Last year at £0.01 and this year at 2.5 pence. And why we've been able to do that? By generating the profits and the cash flow that we have, we can accelerate our dividend payment and still be over 5 times covered. We're in a good place. In terms of our growth strategy, we have a number of key strategic themes. First of all, we remain very committed to the gift packaging business, but that's evolving from having been a gift wrap manufacturer and evolving into a broader gift packaging supplier. We're now in the celebrations business. It's not just about wrap or about bags and tags and ribbons and bows, but we've got a broader offering now, including party wear. So unless you eat it or wear it or listen to it, we are your one-stop shop supplier. There are also adjacent markets that we are now developing into, what's called retail collateral. What that means is, whereas our core activity has been in products for resale, retail collateral is about consumables which retailers give away. And we've started selling to a number of global brands across the world. And we're going to be investing in our capability to do so. Secondly, we are developing our business in terms of stationery and creative play products, but design-led stationery rather than commoditized stationery. Thirdly, by leveraging the relationships that we've developed with the world's major retailers, and indeed our relationships with our core partner suppliers, we feel that we've got a platform where we can grow our business through using our design competence and our dependability. That dependability this year was actually demonstrated with the award that we had from Tesco as a leading supplier, someone who went the extra mile for them. So we're not just talking about our strategy, we're actually delivering on our strategy. And finally, by giving our people the knowledge that they need, we are helping to leverage across our group best practice and innovation throughout the world. Design really is at the heart of all we do, and that applies throughout all disciplines of our business. We felt that our former name was not representative of what the company actually does any longer. Our greetings element of our business is actually only approximately 10% of our activity. We wanted a name that spans all of our activities throughout the world, which is coherent and cohesive, something that actually benefits our business, enables us to leverage what we do for our customers, for our suppliers, and for our people. We're very excited about a more contemporized, more relevant brand name. Our corporate name is now IG Design Group, but our brand is Design Group, which actually captures that we are now geared to perform on a much broader platform than we used to be. So what's the impact of Brexit on our business? We're a very diversified business. 2/3 of our business is actually outside of the UK. The dynamics in play from a currency perspective are that 1/3 of our business is actually manufactured in the country to which we sell. In Europe, our factory in Holland sells to our European customers. In the United States, to our American customers. In the UK, to our British and some overseas customers. In terms of our imports, the overwhelming majority of our product imported in US dollars from the Far East, our currency is hedged. So we have very little exposure there. And that's largely because of our forward visibility or in terms of our order book. But in terms of our overseas earnings, actually when translated into sterling, that will actually enhance our position. Certainly the overall market conditions are going to remain competitive, but we are very well placed to deal with that. We've got a strong management team. They're hungry, they're motivated, they're performing. And you know, nothing succeeds like success. They're a confident team, but they're certainly not complacent. We really do have a unique blend of creativity and reliability. We're a diversified business with a broad design-led product platform, which is being sold in over 150,000 stores worldwide to over 5,000 customers in 80 countries. Supported by our new global funding arrangements, we're well placed for future growth.